From Barangay Dangkalan, shaped by the sacred Talangban Hills, guardians rise. Faith strengthens their watch. Culture guides their service. Nature inspires their devotions. Here, valor is as enduring as the hills. This is the search for outstanding Barangay Tanod, 4th to 6th class municipalities category.
Ang pinaka-importante nga role sa Barangay Tanod, no? Kamo ang gina-consider nga mga gamay nga mga heroes, little heroes in your own little way, no? Palakpakan naton ang Barangay Tanod. So nakita namo, no, bisan gamay lang inyo honoraryo, pero still ang commitment to serve the community ara gid sa inyo. And yet, no, you prefer to serve and your commitment ara gid pirmino para lang, no, matigayon nga mamintinan ang kalinong kagatawan. Good luck and congratulations in advance. Thank you.
And we would like to acknowledge and congratulate the Barangay Tanods of Barangay Dangkalan and of course the barangay officials.
Barangay Tanod, nalamig! Maisog! Maisog! Maisog ihapon! Bisan ano pro, agyan nga chimpo. Sa responde ay wagit ka balibad. Sa lahat ng nandito, maraming salamat. At sa ating mga Barangay Tanod, congratulations. Thank you and God bless.